Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and welcome to another tutorial. And today we're learning how to download MetaTrader on your PC. First of all, go to your web browser and search for MetaTrader 4. Then click on the first link, click on MetaTrader 4 and click on download for free. Click on download for Windows. Once it is downloaded, double click on it on the download tab. Then click on next. And there you have it. That is how you download MetaTrader on your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next tutorial.